Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. Welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture you will learn what is printf function. Okay? We have seen so many times printf statement, okay? So what is printf function? The printf function is the most used function in the C programming language, okay? So the printf function is defined in the stdio.h header file, okay, and it is used to show the output on the console or the standard output. So the printf function is used for output purposes, okay. So it prints the given statement to the console. So console is nothing but the standard output. So the sentence which we code in the program, okay, so printf hello world, so the hello world is printed in the console. So console is nothing but the standard output. Okay, so let's see the syntax of the printf statement. So the basic syntax of printf statement is printf brackets open double quotes format string comma argument list. So printf is nothing but for printing purpose. Okay, so now coming to format string. So format string is nothing but it is a string which is enclosed in double quotes, we can see here. So which is enclosed in double quotes and that specifies the format of output. So it specifies, the main thing is it specifies the format of the output. So there are so many formats. So for example, let's take %d. Okay, so we have so many. So let's take %d. So %d, which is used to represent decimal integers. Okay, so which is used to specify decimal integers. And next coming to %f. So this is used to represent a floating point number. So a floating point number is nothing but a decimal number. Okay, for example 3.14 or the pi value. So now coming to %c. So this is used to represent the characters, the single characters. Okay, so %c is used to represent the single characters. So single characters nothing but alphabets or dollar, ampersand and other characters. And now coming to argument list. Okay, so argument list is nothing but the values that we want to display in the output or in the console. Okay, so for example, if we want to display hello world, so we code hello world. Okay, so printf hello world, so the hello world is displayed or printed in the console or in the standard output. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video.